Hey y'all, I'm in the kitchen today and I'm going to be making cowboy caviar. Now this can be a side dish or it could be used as a dip like at a party. We eat it on our like a wrap, like a sandwich wrap. I will put some on there. I will put some on a burrito. I will use these on tacos. It can be used for multiple things. So let's get started and I'll show you how to make cowboy caviar. Alright, so I use 2 of these 12-ounce bags of frozen corn. I'll put those in our bowl. And then a can of black beans and a can of black-eyed peas that I'm going to drain and rinse. I'm going to stir that into the corn. I'm going to add half an onion. You can use red onion, purple onion, whatever, yellow, white, it doesn't matter. I actually prefer the red onions, the purple onions, but I did not find any at the store, so I just used a white onion. No, sorry, that's a yellow onion. I am dicing up 3 tomatoes. There's one. There's the second one. And there's the third one. Stir all that in. See if I want to add some more tomatoes or not. I can just tell by looking at it that was 3 kind of small tomatoes. I'm going to add one more. And there's the 4th tomato. I'm going to add a half a cup of pickled jalapenos. You can use fresh jalapenos too. If that's not enough jalapenos for you, just add more. I'm going to cut up some cilantro. Really, I would prefer to put this in my Ninja, but I'm trying not to dirty up a bunch of dishes, so I'm just going to cut it up on this cutting board. Some people don't like cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, you don't have to include it. Just stir all that in. If you want more cilantro, you can add it. There's no hard and fast rules on cowboy caviar. Just kind of a big mixture of tasty stuff. In fact, I'm going to put a little bit more cilantro in there. There we go. That's better. Next, we're going to take a lime. Take the stickers off of them. Gonna cut it in half. And squeeze the lime juice all over your salad. Hopefully you don't get any seeds in there. Power went off today. Stir it up. Now I'm going to put some salt and pepper on here. This is to your taste, however much you want. Don't even have to put the salt and pepper if you want. Go ahead and stir it up and taste it and see if it has enough salt on it for you. I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of ground cumin. And I am going to sprinkle it with some smoked paprika. Oop. Mix it all together. Or don't. I just like to because then I taste it again and see if it has enough of my seasonings before I go on to add to the next thing. Now I'm going to add a 1/3 cup of red wine vinegar. You don't have to. That's what I'm putting on mine. And a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Now I'm going to take some avocados, open them up. Actually, this one's probably too green. I shouldn't have cut this one. Way too green. Peel your avocado. You can dice it or slice it however you want. Add it in here. I'm going to go ahead and put 2 of them in here. Yes, my hands are a mess, but there's no point in washing them when I'm just fixing to get them dirty again. We eat a lot of avocados in Texas, so I really need some avocado trees, but don't know how well they do here, to be honest. All right, just mix it all in. Once we have it all mixed up, we're going to put it in the refrigerator to chill until dinner time. If you thought Cowboy Caviar had fish eggs in it? No. Nope, pretty much a vegan recipe. Alright, I'm going to get this in the fridge to chill, and I'll show you what it looks like on our plates. And here are our dinner plates. This is Tommy's chicken salad wrap. He likes his Cowboy Caviar with Fritos, the scoop kind, and I like mine with tortilla chips. So we're gonna go enjoy our dinner. And that's how you make Cowboy Caviar. I hope you guys try this recipe. If you have any questions, let me know below. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.